Hello, if you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now a bit of different. I'm going to show how to make a apple tart, apple pie, whatever you call it. So it's pummeling rain and wind is howling outside, so I thought I'd do something, in the driving. So I'll get it now and show you how to actually make this. Okay. So I use this short crust pastry, ready made. Get a tin that's about the same width. I get a piece of baking parchment, put in butter and sort of just brush it on this as just stop it sticking in. Just a little bit like that and put it in. And just, you don't need much, just to stop it sticking really, as you can see then. It wasn't quite wide enough through this side, so you cut some strips out of the waste and inside, pressing it in. Just peel the potato peeler for apples, should do it. So I just slice downwards a lot of thin slices. Then I chop in half, make little chips or something like that. So I'll sprinkle sugar on it and cap it off. So generous bit of sugar. And like mine with a little bit of kick, so I put some cinnamon on just one side and mark it in. So just put some on this side just for me even, and everyone else can have that side. So cover it up, fold the sides in, make 3 vents in the top just to let the steam out. If you have some false teeth, you could take them out and make a little pretty pattern. But yeah, I'd get some waste dough, pastry, and put a couple of balls there to show that's the cinnamon side. Also, forget to put the oven on while you're actually doing all this work, and don't do it like a smart person, it would heat up ready and you could just whack it straight in. Just wait about like me even. It's on 180 degree fan then, and I've saved the waste from 2 tarts now and with the second one. So kept the stuff from the one I did before and a few days ago, and I've put it together, rolled it out. I'm going to use this now to cut circles out, and I'm going to get one of those cake tins and make little mini ones just to save wasting this really. So I need matching pairs, and I think I have one left out then, but I'll use it to patch up any holes I make them easily. I'll butter this again, stick one in, cut the apple up and stuff it up, make a top, etc. So I've put the one in and it's going to be in for half an hour now. I'm going to take it out and stick a knife down through it to see if apples are nice and soft. Usually only takes half an hour. If there were some hard bits, you would stick it back in for a little bit, but quite quick to make really anyway. So the knife test. See, this goes through like butter. Do I think? Straight through. Nice and soft really. So it's ready. It was only in for half an hour. Usually it's alright. So it doesn't take much to cook these. The small ones are inside now. I'd offset the time of it. So instead of making round ones, I like to make square ones now, because the pastry itself is square, and also these are quite handy to eat. So you can just cut a square out of it, and don't need a plate or anything. Just carry it off with a cup of tea and eat like that. So that's really. You just cut it up as you're using it, and it goes quite fast as well.